Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable automatic photo downloads from channels on the Telegram app for your PC, especially if you're using the latest update. This feature ensures you never miss photos shared in your favorite Telegram channels by having them download automatically. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked. This is the menu button. Click on these 3 lines to open the main menu. Next, in the menu that appears, find and select Settings. This will open a new settings window where you can control all sorts of preferences for your Telegram app. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on the Advanced option. The advanced settings give you more detailed control over the app's behavior. Within the advanced settings, you will find a section called In Channels. Click on this to see the options for automatic media downloads specifically for Telegram channels. Here you will see different media types, such as photos, videos, and documents. To enable automatic downloading of photos from any channel you follow, simply check the box next to Photos. Once you have checked the Photos box, Telegram will automatically start downloading photos from your subscribed channels without you needing to tap each image manually. This makes browsing through channels much smoother and ensures you have quick access to all images offline. That's all there is to it. Just remember, enabling auto-download can use up disk space faster, so keep that in mind if storage is limited on your PC. Otherwise, it's a great way to stay updated with all the photos your channels share seamlessly. Enjoy the convenience of having your photos ready whenever you open Telegram on your PC.